Finding your SSID number on your mobile device.
Hello everyone. Today, we are going to discover how to find your SSID, Service Set Identifier, number on your phone or tablet. SSID is a unique identifier that your network router broadcasts so devices can find and connect to it. Let's dive right in.
What is an SSID?
SSID, or Service Set Identifier, is the name assigned to a wireless network. Your device connects to a wireless network using this name. SSIDs are case-sensitive text strings and have a maximum length of 32 characters.
Finding SSID on Android devices.
1. Open the Settings app on your Android phone or tablet. This is typically represented by a gear icon. 2. Scroll down and tap on the Connections option. 3. Now, tap on Wi-Fi. Ensure your Wi-Fi is turned on. If not, toggle the switch to turn it on. 4. Under the list of available networks, you should see the name of your network if you're connected to one. That name is your SSID.
Finding SSID on iOS devices.
1. On your iPhone or iPad, open the Settings app. 2. Tap on the Wi-Fi option. 3. Make sure your Wi-Fi is enabled. If not, toggle the switch to turn it on. 4. Under My Networks, you'll see the name of the network you're currently connected to. This name is your SSID. Finding your SSID number on your phone or tablet is as simple as that. It's easily accessible under your device's Wi-Fi settings. Remember, your SSID is essential when connecting to wireless networks. So, it's good to know how to find it. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments section below.